Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted email messages or restore deleted email chat history. If you want to recover and restore your all deleted email messages and email chat history, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. And in this time I can delete some email messages and then open it, and then three button option, click on it and then delete chat history, and then again tap on please. Here you can see delete chat history, delete. Here you can see in this time I can delete some email messages or delete some email chat history, but in this time I can easily recover and restore all deleted email messages and recover and restore all deleted email chat history. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store, open it and then search all deleted message recovery. And then scroll down. Here you can see all deleted messages recovery. Please open it. All deleted message recovery, please install this app and then open it. And then here you can see emo, open it. And in this here you can see your all deleted emo messages or emo chat history recover or restore in this here, and then open it. Here you can see deleted emo chat history or emo messages, and then open it. And in this way you can easily recover and restore your all deleted email messages or your all deleted email chat history. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.